If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions for diploma first year on vectors. So today we will be solving from question number 6 to question number 12. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number 6 what they are asking, the position vectors of A, B, C are these, show that the triangle is as an equilateral. Equilateral means you find the magnitudes of each side, length of each side, that should be equal. Again, the position vectors means the position, it's like right angle triangle what you have done, that the points are given to you. Again, if you need to find this point, suppose this is 2i plus 4j minus k, that is your A. This, suppose this is B, this is C. B is equal to 4i minus j plus 2k, and then C is equal to minus I plus 2j plus 4k. So you can find this vector, AB vector. These are not vector, these are not AB vector, these are point positions. So you have to be careful. If you see vectors also, but this is actually this vector, OA vector. This is OB vector. Or you can say these are positions, point. So if you need to find AB vector, then this minus this. So your AB vector will be B minus A, the way we have done for that question number 2. So if you do this minus this, then I am directly writing AB vector, you will get 2i minus 5j plus 3k, this minus this if you do. Then if you take magnitude of AB, so what will be the magnitude? Under root this square plus this square plus this square, so it will be root 38. Similarly, if you calculate BC, it will be C minus B, this minus this if you do, it will be minus 5i plus 3j plus 2k. Again, if you calculate the magnitude of BC, it will be again root 38. 5 square, 3 square, 2 square. Then last CA or AC, whatever, or let me write AC, whatever you do, CA or AC, because the magnitude matters here. So it will be minus 3i minus 2j plus 5k. So again, if you take magnitude of AC, you will again find it is root 38. So all three magnitudes are equal. AB length, BC length, AC length equal. So therefore it is an equilateral triangle. Now if you come to question number 7, so that these are the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. Again the vertices, these are the vertices. Again these are the point. Again it is should be right angle and isosceles. That means one angle should be 90 degree and these two sides should be equal. So if I name it ABC, again same way, it is minus 2i minus 3j, it is minus 3j plus 10ij 3i, and this is 4i plus 11j. So if you calculate your AB vector, this minus this, it will be minus I plus 7j. If you calculate your BC vector, it will be 7i C minus B, and then 11 minus 10j. And then if you calculate your CA or AC vector, let me calculate AC, then C minus A, then it will be 6i plus, again direction doesn't matter, you take AC or CA whatever, because you need just, you will take dot product, it should be 0. So which one is dot is 0, I don't know. So let us calculate this dot. So if I dot AB dot BC, only one dot should be 0. It not be that this is also, then they will not be form any triangle. So if it has to form 3 triangle, it cannot be of this fashion, that this is also right angle and this is also not possible. Only one will be at dot. So if you do this dot, that is minus 7 plus 7 0. So you can say AB and BC, they are perpendicular, therefore AB perpendicular to BC. One thing is done, it is right angle. Then for length, these two should be equal. AC length is equal to root 50, 7 square plus 1 square, and BC length is also 7 square plus 1 square root 50. So your AB perpendicular to BC and length of AB is equal to length of BC. Therefore it is a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, unit 2, question number 8. Show that these points with these position vectors, these and these are collinear. Points collinear, that means points are in same line. Remember, vector collinear, point collinear was different. Vector collinear means they are parallel vector. These vector, they are parallel vectors. And point collinear means they should be at same line. So if you want to prove 3 points are collinear, these points means, again I told you, this even if it is looking like vector, it is not vector, actually position vector, which means the points. Actually these vectors are given. So you need to find these points are collinear, that means they should lie on same line. So one way to prove it, you find this vector AB vector, AC vector. If two vectors are collinear, that means they are parallel. Suppose two vectors are collinear, that means they are parallel. If they are parallel and they also has to pass to one point, then there is no other option. One should come above this one. That means they will be at same line. Then all 3 points will be collinear. Suppose this is A, B, A, C. So because A is the common point, so both has to pass through A and both has to be parallel. So it must has come to one just above another. That means they will be collinear at line. So we have to show that AB and AC, they are, you can find this relation. If you can find AB equal to some constant into AC, that means AB and AC will be collinear. And because both have the common point A, so this point should be common, so it should come here. Because the direction should be parallel, that I already told, and this point is common. So this is the way you will prove it. So if I calculate your AB vector, so this minus this if you do, it is I plus 5j plus, minus 7k. This minus this, 2 minus 1, 5, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. And you calculate your AC, and if you calculate 7 by 5 minus 1, that is 2 by 5 I, then it is plus 2j, then it is 1 by 5 minus 3, that is minus 14 by 5k. You can find 1 by 5 minus 3, do it, you will find it. Now you have to keep it in your mind, you have to bring AC or AB something into something. So if I take 5 common, then it is 2i plus 5 2s are 10j minus 14k. Now if you take 2 common, then you think that it is coming 2 by 5 I plus 5j minus 7k. So you can write it 2 by 5 into AB. So AC vector is equal to 2 by 5 into AB. That means AC and AB are collinear. These vectors are collinear, or you can say parallel. Collinear or parallel. And both passing through A, passing through point A. Therefore, ABC should be collinear points. Is collinear point. Now if you come to question number 9, AB are two vectors such that AB and this is given. Find the angle between A and B. So how to find angle between cos theta equal to, that one also we have seen, A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. A dot B is given 6 and it is 3 into 2, that is 1. Therefore your cos theta will be 0. So this is the angle. If you come to 10, find the angle between two vectors the same way. So again cos theta equal to A dot B. So if you do this dot here, you have to do that dot. So it is 3 into 1 3, minus 2 plus 4, then 2 minus 4 divided by under root this square, 3 square 9 plus 4 plus 4 17, and it is 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. So root 9 and 3 is cancelled, so 1 by root 17. So no, there is no standard formula for that. If you can use calculator, you can use it, or you write it like this, cos inverse root 17 1 by. If you come to 11, show that they are collinear. Again with the same idea, just now we have shown question number 8. So you calculate your AB vector. So this will be 3i minus j minus 2k. So this minus this, this minus this, this minus this. And then AC vector will be equal to 9i minus 3j minus 6k. If you take 3 common, you can see it is 3i minus j minus 2k, which is 3 into AB vector. Again the same statement you write, A and B are parallel vector and there is a common point A, therefore A, B, C are collinear. You write the same line here. Now if you come to 12, again A cross B, this one we have already seen with using that determinant, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 1. So how to find this determinant? I, if you stop this, then minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus this 2 minus 2. Then it is minus j, this into this 2 minus this into this 1 plus k. You stop this 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, then minus of minus 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 1. Then it is 2 minus 1 I minus j, that is minus 3k. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.